Ki Pulit jong ka Ribhoy District, hapo ka Ïalam jong u Superintendent of Police u Jakpal Singh Dhona, ringkat kiwi ki Pulit Officer ki Langrut da ka Minsiem ka Bakeluit, mentagasngi kilalet ban Shinyang yala ka jong ka Snam, ha Blood Bank jong ka Nongpoh Civil Hospital, kabadeiru Shibinta jong ka Jingrakhi ya ka National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Habakrench kilat pathai kubor, nakalyang u Rubel Islam in charge ka Nongpoh Traffic, but u Michael Marag u si ka Nongpoh PS Klapin Pau ka Jingsngokmen halor ka Ïalam, jong u SP banlet Shinyang yala ka jong ka Snam nakabenta Shibun ki beriu ki badonkam kriki Ïaka, but kani ka day ka kam ka babha ki beriu ki la banle ban pinim ya Shibun ki Minsiem, hakapor badonkam kriki ya ka Snam.
Police personnel all they came for this noble cause. We are very happy that they have given this opportunity to donate blood, and I'll try to give next year also. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon. Today is the National Blood Donation Day, and then our SP sir, the boy SP sir, has taken the initiative to donate blood today. We have all from our district. We have all come to Civil Hospital Nongpoh to donate blood, and SP sir himself also has donated, and other senior officers. And we are here. Still, some of our staff are still inside. They are donating blood, and I would like to request everyone, including our police personnel, that the blood donation is a noble job, noble cause. This is for to save someone's life is a good thing, and everyone should come forward and donate blood. And we need some awareness amongst us also for this blood donation, because there are apprehensions from our from police side and civilians also that donating blood may harm that person or something like that. So there are people who still fear to donate blood. But I urge everyone that we should come forward and donate blood to save a life. Thank you.